All right, this is number 7 on page 45. 2x squared plus 31 equals 9. What do I do first? Subtract 31. 2x squared equals, what's 9 minus 31? What?
9 minus 31, 24.
I thought y'all said 40 something and I was going to say, oh my goodness. All right, divide by 2. X squared is negative 11. What now? Square root. I can't have a negative under a radical, so what do I do? The I. I'm going to put a plus or minus in front. I still got square root of 11. Can I break that down any?
No.
No, so I'll leave it as is. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Other questions about your homework? Shh, 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 shh.
I never got that.
It's on my desk. 51. Number 51. Oh, this is a good one. Negative 8 minus 3 plus 2i minus 9 minus 4i. Understand, guys, whenever you have something like this, you're subtracting this whole piece here that follows the subtraction sign, okay? So let's go, since order of operations takes us left to right, let's do these two first and then we'll combine it with the last one. So look at the real numbers. Negative 8 minus 3 is what? Negative 11 minus 2i, because this subtraction sign is applying to everything in here. Does that make sense? All right, so now I've got this minus 9 minus 4i. So negative 11 minus 9 is what? Negative 20. Negative 2i minus negative 4i. 2i, that's right. Minus a negative is a positive. Does that make sense? Don't try to multiply out. A lot of you see that and you want to multiply it out, but it's not a multiply out problem.
So I have a question.
Okay? You sure?
I don't know how to word it.
Think about it. Let me know. What else from your homework?
13. Well, that's the answer.
13 and 53. That's the answer. That's all you do. Number 13. 9 plus 8i. Well, y'all don't like these complex numbers, do you?
No, I hate all this.
8 minus 9i. You like graphing? Graphing the quadratics?
I like real numbers.
Real numbers?
Not
Not. It's not fake. It's just a different kind. All right, let's look at our whole numbers. Let's look at our real numbers.
Sorry.
9 and 8 give me 17. 8i and negative 9i.
Negative 1i.
Wait, right?
And yep.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
And then somebody said 53. My book's falling apart up here. 53. Oh, here we go. Finally, a multiply. 5i. Bless you.
Thank you.
3 plus 2i. When you have more than two things being multiplied together, just multiply 2 at a time and then go back and multiply to the third. So I'm going to do these two first. 5i times 3 is?
15i.
5i times 2i.
10i squared.
What happens when you have I squared hooked to a number?
Changes sign.
Changes the sign, drop the I squared, so this becomes negative 10, right? So now my first one is going to be negative 10 plus 15i times 8 plus 3i. Yes?
I have a
All right, let's multiply out. Negative 10 times 8. Negative 10 times 3i. 15i times 8. I don't know. 30, 60. What is it? What is it?
I did not get that.
That's what I thought, but y'all were looking at me kind of funny. What? What's wrong?
You said we're just supposed to bring out moving things.
What are you talking about?
And then do the one method through them.
Mm-hmm.
And then multiply them across. And then
Did you do
add
the
on
two?
edge,
The,
and then add all together.
so you did these two first, and then took the 5i to them? That's fine. Multiplication is commutative. You can do it in any order, so you should come back to the same thing we get in the end. Well, but what final answer wise? You should. So this becomes negative 45. So my real numbers, I have negative 80 and negative 45, which is negative 125. And then I have negative 30i and 120i, which is 90i. Yes or no? Yay or nay?
I got 24. I got 24. Name 24.
24i times 24?
I'm very terrified of what I.
What else? What else? What else? Are we ready to move on?
No.
No? No, not from this one problem, or no, not from complex numbers?
Okay. What are we?